na patay na inyong relasyon, mas patay pa akong buhok! Hi guys! It's Sarah D, and today I'll be sharing with you my hair story. So since 2019, my hair has gone through 3 or 4 crazy hair color stages. It went from a bleach blonde, to a magenta, to a pink, to a purple, and even a blonde balayage. And ever since then, my hair has never been the same. Grabe jud guys! Ever since ato, na dry and damaged jud akong hair, mauna karon I decided to stop touching it or doing anything with it kay na-traumatize jud ko. So today, we will be trying Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatments and see if ma-renew o reborn ba jud ni akong damaged hair. And hopefully, fingers crossed, after trying the treatments, mag-gain na ako ang power over damage and ang confidence to experiment and enjoy my hair once again. Let's go! Hi guys! So we're finally here at the Pink Lush Beauty Salon in Primeway Plaza for the Cream Silk Treatments Makeover Takeover. First up, I'll be getting a haircut, and then after the haircut, I'll be trying the Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatments to see if ma-reborn o ma-renew pa ni akong damaged hair. Let's go! Okay, so I'm done with my haircut. Thank you kayo, Sir Kim, for my very nice haircut. Nigaan siya kung sir. So the next step is to try one of the Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatments. And Sir Kim, unsa na treatment imo ma-recommend ako?
So, angay sa iyong buhok, ma'am, dry na siya. Kung patong na mga color, so ang dapat ito pinagamiton, angay dapat kaniya itong apply na ito. Keratin damage sector.
Okay, sige. Let's try it. Let's go! Okay, so my treatment is done, and so far, my hair is smelling very clean and very fresh. Wala bitaw ka ng chemical scent. If you know, you know. Now it's time to put this to the test. Mag-try to run og mga intense hairstyling to see if ma-full of life paghihapon ni akong hair after the styling. Let's go!
What you gonna do when the rain is coming down? Nothing more to do when there's no one else around. Bring it back to the middle, push, take it back to the rhythm. Keep it up for good when the sky's falling down. All you gotta do is to bring it to the ground. Speed it up to your inner move. Stop, start, down. Nobody can get what you're going through. Nobody can get what you've done. Nobody can get what you're going through.
Hoy! Awa! Gwapa kay ko, no? Napa-revive jud sa Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatment ang akong hair. My hair looks healthier, it also looks shinier, it also feels smooth and frizz-free. It has keratin and collagen dual serum, which deeply repairs and renews each strand. And what I love about it is it's super easy to use and doesn't take too much of your time. It comes in a tub that's perfect for when you're at home and in a sachet for when you're traveling. Murag na jud ko gikan sa salon ani pirmi sa ka-frizz-free and shiny sakong hair. All thanks to the Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatments. Dili na jud ko ma-worry about hair damage because I now have the power over damage and the confidence to experiment and enjoy my hair again. So overall, the Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatment is a wow for me. Get these variants sa Cream Silk Salon Expert Daily Treatments para ma-address ang imong hair goals and needs. Kung gusto pod mo maka-experience og Makeover Takeover, watch out for it on the following dates. And that's it mga Bai! I hope you enjoyed this episode of Bai Tries. Follow at Bai TV Cebu on all its socials and follow me at It's Sarah DM. Bye!